What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm inside my 2000 Toyota Corolla, and you see I have no gas, absolutely no gas. So I actually drove out here to Modesto to get the cheapest gas possible. $55.80, 9 gallons at $5.79. Let's see if she's full. See, it just keeps going up and up and up. Go, baby, go. So she's definitely low on gas, so that pump needs to refuel. And I gotta tell you, it freaking lied to me. So I just Googled it really quick. Gas prices in Turlock, California. It said it was $5.96 a gallon in my hometown. So I ended up driving 10 miles away to Ceres, California, just for cheaper gas. And I said, oh, it's a couple pennies more, I'll just drive out here. But it said that right here on Mitchell Road, which is where I'm at, the gas was $5.66. Show up here and it's $5.79. So it totally just lied to me. I don't know if this is just yesterday's prices or what, but I literally drove over here to get cheaper gas, and I was like, it's like, let's say it's just 5 cents difference, then it's not worth for me to drive 10 minutes away from where I have to be. It's not worth it. I won't do it. But it said that it was 30 cents, almost 30 cents cheaper over here. So I drove all the way over here to get the cheaper gas. Now that I'm full, I'm gonna drive like a maniac. Let's go. So I'm a little PO'd a little bit about it, because I was just like, oh yeah, I'm gonna save 30 cents. That's totally worth it to drive to, you know, 10 minutes away from another town just to get cheaper gas. I'm full. It is, I don't know, from what I can tell, I don't think it was worth it. Because looking at the gas, but who knows, maybe the gas is even higher in Turlock now. If those were yesterday's prices, gas going up every single day. It's just ridiculous. But it was cool. It's a good experience. I came over here and I told the lady $50 on number whatever 11, and she's like, $50, that ain't enough. And I was like, what? How's that not enough? I was like, I got this little tiny car. She's like, my Camry takes like $70 to $80 right now. She's like, I got an 05 Camry. And I was like, oh man. So I was like, okay, let's do $60 on my pump. And she's like, that's it right there. And she's like, it depends the car you have. And I'm like, I got the smallest little tiny car you could possibly have, little Corolla. But we're going on the freeway now, and this thing is pretty good on gas. I haven't pumped gas in this thing in like weeks, mostly because I haven't been driving it, mostly because I haven't been going to work. This is definitely one of those beater cars that you just go to work and back, and you don't have to worry about a whole lot of things right here. I don't worry about this car at all, but I do have to go a little faster here. My bad. Trailer ended up switching for me. Thank you, trailer. Appreciate that. But I gotta tell you though too, when you're in this car and you're going fast, maybe like a little bit over 65, going 70, you feel a little crazy in this car just because it's so small. Going 75 right now. And this car has a check engine light, and it also has a cylinder misfire on cylinder number 2. And it still drives really good. Weird, right? That's the thing about, I don't think there's anything wrong with this car. Remember, this one was the one that was overheating on me, and I've erased the code and it came back with the same code, cylinder misfire number 2. So this car drives so good that even though it was overheating, it was misfiring, I still had confidence in the car, and I knew the car was still going to be a good car. And I'm basically driving this car right now to save gas, honestly, because I could be driving just about any other car, but I like this car a lot. I really do. It's good on gas. I think it's like 44 mpg per gallon. So I'm really cool with that. And I usually drive back roads, so that means I'm going like max 60 miles an hour. So it literally lasts me a long time compared to right now where I'm going 70 miles an hour. I'm on the freeway. The one thing that sucks about this little tiny Corolla right here, this is the CE. So it's got manual mirrors and it's got power locks and everything like that, but it doesn't have cruise control. It's supposed to be right here and it's completely missing, and that totally sucks, but it's okay. And then I totally just got Jude on the gas, at least I think so. I'm on my way to Turlock right now, so I'm about to find out what I'm missing out on. And hopefully it's not a, well, I mean, hopefully it is a lot, because I don't know what's up with that. You know, I checked the gas. Maybe it needs to be updated. Maybe it updates daily. Those were yesterday's prices, but it was said it was $5.66. And in Turlock yesterday, when I was driving by after work, it was like $5.98. So same thing, I said to myself, if I can save 33 cents a gallon, that sounds totally worth it. I paid $79, and we're gonna find out right now in a little bit. But how are you guys doing today? I hope everyone is doing good. I just want to tell everyone and let everyone know that I'm doing really well, that this whole week has been tough, but we're getting through it day by day. It seems like we're getting better and better. Me and my girl, we're doing really good. We're talking, we're communicating. Me and my son, we're doing really good. Same thing, whatever problems arise is just a situation. It's just we can just fix it, you know, so we can work together to fix whatever problems we have. All right, we're coming up on our exit right here on the freeway, and when I'm right here on the freeway, I don't like to merge onto the right lane, the slow lane, because that's where all the cars from the freeway merge on. So what I like to do is wait till I pass up this whole merging lane right here, because this is kind of like the most dangerous lane you can be on, because these guys that are merging on, usually a lot of them, usually they're going slow. You see this guy right here, he had to switch lanes to make room for all these guys that are merging in. And right here, now that everyone's kind of merged in, what I can do, these guys are probably trying to get to the left. I can put on my blinker, one of these guys will see it and say, oh, he's turning right, I can now turn left. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. He kind of gave me some space. Now I'm in it to win it, and now I'm gonna take my exit. I actually have to hold my blinker for it to work, or else it won't work, because if I see, it just doesn't work. It's freaking ridiculous. Dang it. Ah, dang it. Ah, there you go. Ah, old Toyotas, everything will break on these freaking old Toyotas, except for the Toyota. Toyota will still run. There's the gas station. There's the Arco. That's our first Arco. And this one yesterday was $5.89, so 10 cents more expensive. And let me go slow, see if I can see it. Oh man, what's the gas, buddy? What's the gas? Oh, there's signs right there. I'm gonna have to look back a little bit. $5.99, so $6. So I saved 20 cents. 20 cents per gallon cheaper over here in Turlock, or in Ceres. And why it's cheaper in Ceres? Turlock is just one of those special places. It's down here in the valley. This is where like everyone is coming to live down here. Demand for houses, I think, over here in Turlock has not gone down. They're still building, and it's not gonna go down, honestly. The prices are not gonna go down over here as much as other places, because everyone wants to live over here, because you can just simply commute to a bigger city that pays more. And there's a million ways to do it. You can buy a little old Corolla like this. That'll get you everywhere you need to be. You can take the train, you can take the bus, Ubers, this or that. Friends. Yeah, but this, I think this is like where everyone wants to be, because I've talked to so many people and they're just like, man, the homeless people in LA, I just got back from LA and it was crazy over there. He's like, over here there's no homeless people, even though the other day I almost got into it with some crazy homeless dude. He was tripping. Me and my dad, it was late at night already, we were washing cars, but it wasn't that late. It was probably like 7 or 8 in the afternoon. We were washing cars, washing all the cars, and this crazy homeless guy, he has this bar. It's like a three foot bar, and he's like, bam, smacking the fence. We just built this giant gated the whole dealership because of all the catalytic converters being stolen. And he was actually doing this to our neighbors, right? So then he's crossing the road to come to our dealer, you know, and he points at us like this. He goes like this, and then he goes like that, like basically saying he's gonna cut our throats. So I mean, I took that very seriously, and my dad's like, don't pay no attention to him. But then my dad was just like realizing like, yeah, that guy just basically threatened to kill us. for no reason either. He's just some crazy homeless dude. You know, he's all black, walking around with a backpack, with a bar, and he's acting like he don't give up about nothing, man. And to a certain point, yeah. But to a certain point though too, look, he was hitting the fence on our neighbor's side, and then when he got to our side, no hitting of the fences, no, he didn't touch our fence, nothing. You know why? Because he's a coward. Because being out there in the streets doing drugs is a cowardly way out. Having a job, paying your bills, dealing and having issues to your problems, you know, dealing with your problems, that's tough. That's what a man does. Paying his bills on time, that's what you do. I mean, I can't speak on everything and on everyone, but I do know that using drugs and that kind of stuff is the cowardly way out, man. So it's, you numb your own body just so you can get through the day, and that's not right. I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't do nothing. Anyway, guys, that's the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. $6 a gallon over here in Turlock, and $5.70 in Modesto. That's in series. That's why I went over there, saved 20 cents. Do you guys think it was worth it? Let me know in the comments down below. Love you guys. Take it easy. Bye.